Want to create WhatsApp business account? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to download and install the WhatsApp business app on your device. Now, launch it open. Now tap on agree and continue. Now on this page, you first want to select your country. After you select that, go ahead and enter your phone number here. Then tap on next. Now you will have to verify your number. For that, tap on continue if you want to automatically verify with a missed call to your phone. Now your number will be verified. Now you want to create your business profile. For that, go ahead and enter your business name. Then tap next. Now select your business category, tap next. Now if you want to add your business hours, go ahead and select that. If it is always open, select that option, or if you want the hours, tap on selected hours, and from here you can select the hours in this way. Now tap on next. From here you can add a profile picture. You can skip this for now. Next you can enter your address or region or enter your website. Now add a business description. Now it will take some time for the account to be set up. Once the setup is finished, your WhatsApp business account will be created, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.